Welcome to your midday reset, a moment to pause and recalibrate for positivity and focus. Take a deep breath, relaxing your shoulders as you exhale any morning tension. Acknowledge any stresses, observing them without judgment, like clouds passing. Consider this moment a fresh opportunity to shift your perspective for a positive day. Visualize a calming apple green light spreading from your chest, dissolving worries with each breath. Feel this light bringing peace and clarity, preparing you for a refreshed afternoon. Let's focus on gratitude. Bring to mind one small thing you are thankful for now. Perhaps it's your warm drink, a comfortable chair, or a kind word received. Allow that feeling of gratitude to expand, filling your mind and heart with uplifting energy. This simple appreciation can profoundly shift your emotional state, fostering well-being. Embrace this positive emotion, letting it anchor you in the present moment. You are cultivating a resilient mindset, ready to face the rest of your day with grace. Now, let's set an intention for the rest of your day. What quality do you wish to carry forward? Perhaps it's patience, creativity, kindness, or a calm presence. Mentally repeat this intention, allowing it to resonate within you as a guiding principle. This intention acts as a compass, helping you navigate challenges with clear direction. Trust your ability to embody this quality, transforming your afternoon into a meaningful experience. You are empowered to shape your reality, one mindful intention at a time. As we conclude, acknowledge the strength and resilience within you. You have successfully paused, reset, and refocused for a productive and positive day. Carry this renewed calm and optimism with you, knowing you can return to this state. Thank you for taking this time. May your afternoon be filled with clarity and positive energy.